Jai Srimannarayana. Third sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Etvaksharam Anirdesyam Avyaktam Paryupasate Sarvatragam Achintyancha Kutastham Achalam Dhruvam. Om. Realize and constantly remember that you are not the body, you are the soul. You are the Atma. Atma is imperishable. Atma is eternal. No matter how many our bodies you have changed so far, you remain original, you remain with original nature that is imperishable. This is the time that you can stop going through bodies anymore by surrendering to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall realize and I shall remember constantly that I am not the body, I am soul, I am imperishable, I am eternal. This is the opportunity while being in this human body. I can stop going through bodies anymore in my future by surrendering to only you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika Bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 210th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama, after seeing those cows and elderly Gopalas, how much of affection they are showing on their babies on their children. Balarama got shocked and started feeling that definitely this is Vaishnava Maya. Definitely this is Sri Krishna's magic. Otherwise, I would never be deluded like this. Like that, Balarama, while thinking, iti sanchintya dasarho vatsan sa vayasanapi sarvanachashta vaikuntham chakshusha vayunena saha divya drishti tappaka buddhin tana chalikanranu krepulan vanajakshundanu chunchuche vasudhadhisha. Baladeva has now opened his eyes of wisdom, jnana drushti, divya drushti. With his divya drushti, he has seen Krishna everywhere. In all the baby cows, Krishna is there. Of all boys, Krishna is there. Krishna is so many baby cows. Krishna is so many Gopabalas. Once Baladeva has seen that, then he is now talking to Sri Krishna like this. Ho Parameswara Naite Sureshaha. I was thinking all these boys are the forms of devatas. No, they are not devatas now. Rishayoho Nachaite. I was thinking all these baby cows are the forms of Narada and other Maharshis. No. Now I realize, Tvameva Bhashi Isha Bhidashraye. Ho Sarveswara, you are the one who is there in different forms and bodies of all these baby cows and Gopalas and giving me such a wonderful darshanam. Oh Krishna, what is the secret behind it? Why did you have to give that kind of darshanam to me? Please tell me everything what exactly happened. Like that, when Baladeva asked, Krishna told him everything what has happened. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 3rd sloka. Ye tvaksharamanirdesyam avyaktam paryupasate sarvatragamachintyancha kūtastham achalam dhruvam. Ye tvaksharamanirdesyam avyaktam paryupasate sarvatragamachintyancha kūtastham achalam dhruvam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.